Hello world, Assalamu alaikum. Windows 11 is the latest operating system from Microsoft. It was officially released in October 2021. Windows 11 features a revamped user interface with a modern look, including a redesigned start menu. There are several other changes, both in user interface and under the hood improvements. The system requirements for Windows 11 include a minimum of 1 GHz and 2-core 64-bit processor, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. The system should have a UEFI secure boot, then TPM 2.0, also known as Trusted Platform Module, which is a hardware chip designed to provide security. A DirectX 12 capable graphics card, and minimum of 720p 9-inch 8-bit color display. Now all other requirements are quite achievable, but the requirement of TPM 2.0 makes a lot of systems incompatible, as this is quite a new technology and many older systems do not support it. So to install Windows 11, we must have a newer PC. In today's video, I am gonna show you how you can bypass TPM 2.0 requirement and install Windows 11 on any computer. Keep in mind that other hardware requirements are necessary to run Windows 11. So to install Windows 11, head over to Microsoft's Windows 11 download page. I'll provide the link in the description. At the end of the page, find Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64-bit devices. In the selection box, select Windows 11 ISO and click Download Now. On the next page, select your language and click Confirm. Click 64-bit download on next page and your download will get started. After the download is complete, you will find Windows 11 ISO in your download folder. Now you will need a USB drive of at least 8 GB to load this ISO file into it. You will also need a software to load the ISO on the USB. For that, you have to visit rufus.ie. Scroll down to download options and click the first link. This will download Rufus software on your PC. Now run the file rufus.exe. The first option is device, in which you will select the USB drive that you previously inserted in your PC. The second option is boot selection. Select disk or ISO image and then click select. Find the Windows 11 ISO file and select it. You don't need to change any other option. Please remember that your USB drive will completely erased and all the data on it will be lost. Click Start and a window will open with some options. Here check the first option, that is to remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. You can also check other options if you wish. Click OK and then again click OK. Rufus will start making Windows 11 bootable USB drive. After finishing, your Windows 11 USB drive will be ready, and now you can insert it in the PC on which you want to install Windows 11. The PC I am going to install Windows 11 on is my Acer Switch 3, which is a touchscreen Windows tablet. Insert the Windows 11 USB and restart your system. For this, you have to boot the USB from your boot menu. For my Switch 3, I have to hit F12 key when it was restarting. Select the USB drive from the boot menu. we will then start the Windows 11 setup software. On the first page, select your language and formats and click Next. Then select your keyboard layout and click Next. On the next window, select Install Windows 11 and check that you will agree that everything will be deleted. Click Next. On next window, accept the license terms. You have to select location on your computer's hard drive where you want to install Windows 11. I am going to delete all the existing partitions on my Switch 3 as these all are incompatible with Windows. You can select delete or format only that partition where you want to install Windows 11. After that, select that partition and click Next. And then click Install. It will take a lot of time and several restarts. The setup will also check for updates during the installation. The installation speed depends on your computer's hardware. Installation, the setup will ask for the computer's name. Give it some name and click Next. After a lot of patience, the setup will reboot on Microsoft account sign-in page. Click Sign In and then enter your Microsoft's account details. On next window, you will have options to restore your PC to a previous backup or setup as new. Click Setup as New. On next window, select how you want to use your computer and select Accept. Then you will have the option to connect your mobile phone to Windows, but you can skip it. Then you will have the option again to back up your phone's photos on OneDrive, but we'll pause on that. Next we have the option for Microsoft 365 trial version, but I'll skip on that and again skip. The setup will then complete and Windows 11 will successfully boot at the Windows desktop. So guys, we have successfully installed Windows 11 on Acer Switch 3, which is incompatible with Windows 11 as per Microsoft's requirements. You can install Windows 11 on any computer and give new life to it. Hopefully you have liked the video. Thanks for watching.